Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming physical connections and which HDMI port you'll use. Plug the Chromecast into the target HDMI port and power it. Once done, switch the TV input to that port so you see the Google TV home screen. Make sure the cable is seated and that the TV recognizes a signal. If you don't see the home screen, try a different HDMI jack or the included power adapter. Bad cables or unpowered dongles are the most common blockers. You'll now change inputs and configure HDMI behavior. Use your TV remote's input or source button to pick the HDMI port where Google TV sits. Confirm the Chromecast UI loads. Next, enable HDMI CC on the TV so your Google TV remote can control power and volume. This lives in the TV's system or external inputs menu. Then on Google TV, go to Settings, System, and open Display and Sound to adjust resolution, refresh rate, and HDR so the HDMI port outputs optimal video. Make sure to save changes. Finish by verifying everything works together. Turn the TV on and off, use the Google TV remote to navigate, and confirm audio travels to your receiver or TV speakers. If picture looks wrong, change resolution or HDR in Display and Sound, or swap to a certified high-speed HDMI cable. If the TV still won't display the Chromecast, move it to a different HDMI port and reselect that input. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot the Chromecast and the TV after changes. This often clears handshake and CEC issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.